In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign up DAZN account. So if you want to sign up for DAZN account, first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.dazn.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of DAZN. From here, you'll be able to access the live news, scores, highlights, etc. So if you want to create the account, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the login or sign up interface of DAZN. From here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. You can either create your account with email, Google, Facebook or Apple. Click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to use the email. If you also want to do that, click on the field of email. Now provide the email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now after you enter the email, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you can finish signing up. What you have to do is enter your name. So first of all, enter the first name. Likewise, enter the last name. Now once you do that, create the password for yourself. Your password must contain upper and lowercase letters, at least one number, at least 6 characters. So simply create the password accordingly. Now once you do that, you'll also be able to find the settings related to notification. You can simply adjust the settings according to your choice. Now once you do that, click on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your DAZN account has been created. So that is how you sign up for DAZN account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.